The Liftkar from Magline is a handy modular-designed hand truck for general use, but more importantly, it's a battery-powered stair climber for use on steps and stairs. Simply put, the Liftkar pulls itself up onto the step above and lifts to only the necessary step height, then repeats this action until the stairs are fully climbed. Transporting loads down the stairs is just as easy and safe. During descent, the motor acts like an electric brake and the load is brought down without bumping for a smooth, repeatable, and nearly effortless delivery. The operator controls of the Liftkar are very simple to use and are designed with operator safety as the main priority. The main switch, which controls the power supply, is situated on the battery cover, which contains the rechargeable battery. The ascend button is located in the upper handle and is only active in the ascent mode and switches the lifting mechanism on and off for each step climbed. The lifting mechanism operates when the ascend button is pressed and stops when released. Its location in the upper handle makes it convenient for the operator to maintain a smooth climbing rhythm, step by step. The control box is located near the top of the frame on the left side and contains the ascend-descend mode switch, the speed switch, and the indicator light. The mode switch determines whether the Liftkar is in either the ascend or descend mode. The speed switch selects either high or low speed, and this can only be used in the ascent mode, as the descending speed is permanently set so that optimum braking will always be secured. Low speed is advisable for training, heavy loads, and awkward locations. The indicator light on the control box is provided for operator convenience. When it shines green, the Liftkar is in the ascend mode. Flashing green indicates the descend mode. A constantly red light indicates the descend mode with the support wheels moving to the descend position. And when the indicator is flashing red, the Liftkar is overloaded. The safety flap is located over the drive unit above the axle. When you press the lower part of the flap with your foot, all functions will be stopped, so you can tilt the load before going up or down. To ascend a flight of stairs, first turn on the main power switch. Then press the mode switch briefly until the indicator light shines green continuously, indicating ascent mode. To begin the ascent, simply press the ascend button in the upper handle, and the support wheels will lift the load over the steps one at a time until the ascend button is released. As soon as the main wheels rest on the tread, pull the Liftkar back to touch the rise of the next step. Then simply repeat this cycle for each stair tread until the top is reached. When ascending stairs, the balance of the load changes as soon as the support wheels start lifting, and there is a forward movement of the machine. To compensate, simply tilt the handle backward slightly before the support wheels start to lift. If you hold the Liftkar too flat during ascent on stairs with open risers, the support wheels may be partially trapped under the tread. This may cause it to go into overload mode. The indicator lamp will flash red for about 3 seconds, and the main wheels will extend slowly to the lower step and then shut down. If this happens, tilt the Liftkar and press the mode button to reset, then continue. Descending stairs with the Magline Liftkar is easy, safe, and convenient. Simply press the mode button briefly until the indicator light flashes green, indicating the descent mode. Then, the support wheels will move into position automatically, and the Liftkar can be rolled over the step margin, and the support wheels will lower the machine onto the next step down. When the main wheels land on the lower step, the support wheels automatically rotate into position for the descent onto the next step down, and all within approximately half a second. During actual descent, the indicator light changes to constant red, but after reaching the descend position, the light changes back to flashing green. Again, when descending, the operator does not need to control the electrics, as the support wheels operate automatically. To install the battery, simply slide the battery ends into the hooks on the frame. Hinge it forward and snap it in place. To remove, just lift the battery straight up to disengage. For transportation, remove the battery to lighten the unit and to prevent accidental operation in transit. The Liftkar battery is maintenance-free, sealed, and rechargeable. For best battery life and service, avoid total discharge by recharging as often as possible, and try to do it after each use. Overcharging is not possible, and the optimum temperature for charging is 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Always recharge the battery after a maximum of 3 weeks of disuse. The Liftkar is switched off and battery power removed by either switching off the main switch on the battery unit, removing the battery, pressing the mode button for 3 seconds, or after 10 minutes of non-use, the Liftkar will automatically shut down. Another safety feature is the safety flap, located just above the drive unit. Whenever the safety flap is touched, the unit automatically shuts down. Safety is especially important around stairways. Always be sure to secure your load properly and make sure no one is beneath the load. Finally, never put your hands into the lifting mechanism if the battery is inserted. The Liftkar from Magline is a reliable and handy tool for safe and easy load handling up and down stairs. We recommend that the new user practice using the Liftkar with a light load of 45 to 70 pounds until it becomes almost second nature. The lifting system is protected by international patent applications for Europe, USA, and Japan. The modular structure of the basic frame is also protected by a patent application.